How to add music to your videos on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add music to your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are there, you're gonna find the post icon at the bottom. Click on it. And this is our video. If you want to add a music, click on select music, the first option at the top. Now you can choose a music from those. If you have a favorite, you're gonna find it here. This is a recommended music. If you don't find anything here, click on more and you're gonna find a lot of music. Once you do, choose one and click on play, and this is it. Easy and quick. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.